I just got back from a conference from healing modalities, and there were some great healing frequency machines that you hook yourself onto and literally transforms your state. But then, while talking to the owners of these inventions, as I suspected, but I found out from them as well, that the moment you get off of them, you go back to the existing states where you were if you have a cause of something. And that's why F.A.I.R transformational technique is beneficial, because it removes the cause of something. When there's no cause, there are no consequences. What we do with F.A.I.R transformational technique, yes, you choose one problem you're going to solve, you solve that problem, but not we don't care that much about consequences. But once the root problem, the cause of the problem is gone, then you don't have any more consequences. So the consequence disappears automatically when the cause, when energy and emotional charge or intensity of tension is removed from the cause. What I wanted to say is that no matter what kind of modalities are you using, most of them are dealing with the consequences. I had one of my friends who's also in the healing industry. He stated that, oh, I want you to solve a problem for me without me experiencing it. Don't bring me back to the trauma. I just want you to get rid of it instantly. Here's the reason that that's impossible. You can mask it for a while, put a veil over it for a while, but sooner or later will come back and it's a self-sabotage. It will come back worse than it was before. Why? Because the more you suppress something, whatever you resist persists. And the deeper you suppress it, it's harder it's gonna pop up. It's like a ball under the water. Yeah, you can keep the air ball under the water, but sooner or later it just explodes. So the cause of the problem has to be addressed and integrated. Energy and emotional charge from the cause has to be integrated. If not, then that's why you have these repetitive stories over and over again in different modalities and different variations. It's the same story, just different people or different acting crew. So it's always the same drama, different actors. So I don't know if you notice, sometimes you have the same problem in your life that's been repetitive. And here's a good example. If you have, let's say, two or more situations where you were experiencing the same story with different people, that's a pure example what needs to be integrated. That's a pure example what needs to be healed, like right away. That's why it's happening. Everything that's happening in your life